The one thing that helped me make my decision to come to Arvest 8 years ago was the culture. The culture of truly embracing the mission statement of people helping people find financial solutions for life. One example of this is what occurred in May of 2019 in Arkansas and Oklahoma. We had historic floods, which was referred to as a 500-year flood. It devastated our community and people were displaced from their homes. And Arvest partnered with United Way of the Fort Smith area, providing volunteerism as well as funding to help with this displacement of folks from their homes. We also did a lot of cooking for a whole week with 5 other companies in their community, provided food for people that were displaced. We worked with the distribution hubs, providing supplies and non-perishable food items. And then we also did a telethon with United Way and raised over $112,000 in one single night. And I really think United Way and the Fort Smith community would say what we did was very helpful.